If you're experiencing FPS drops in Elden Ring, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. This can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Go to the Options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This will help to increase your FPS by reducing the load on your system. Step 3. Disable background applications. Pause any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources, leading to low performance in Elden Ring. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. On Windows, go to Control Panel Hardware and Sound Power options and select the High Performance plan. This ensures your system is using maximum resources for gaming. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature to ensure it is not overheating. Use software like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner to monitor temperatures. If your system is overheating, consider cleaning your hardware or improving airflow. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in FPS and overall performance in Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.